Hi students, this is Gina from the library, and I wanted to talk to you about library support for Dr. Vicky's next assignment. You're looking at her research guide that we put together, and basically you just navigate with this left side margin. There's three main steps: finding keywords, searching effectively, and finding sources. You also can scroll to the bottom and find a button to get to the next page. I wanted to show you that on this first page you have your current assignment listed here. You also have a way to contact us to ask questions. You can email Dr. Vicky or your library 10 instructor directly, Laura Dickey, or you can use the Ask a Librarian form and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. I also want you to know that the library resources are available online 24/7. You just have to be able to log in with your web advisor or Canvas username and password. Now the first step is keywords, and basically you just look at the current readings that you have in immigration or LBGQT and pull out some keywords, and then you use those keywords to start searching for your topic. So I'm going to navigate to the next page. And once you have your keywords, there's some tips on searching with basic search keyword tips, and then some more advanced search tips. And once you've identified your keywords, we're going to go and search the next step, find some sources. So there's three databases that we've identified for you to do your searches, and there's a tab for each. And if there's a video on that tab, watch it, because that'll really help. So what you do is you watch the video and then you try the search engines. And you should be able to find some pretty good resources that way. If you're still not clear on what you want to narrow down or what you want to database you want to use, you can also search the one search engine that's available for the entire library resources, and that's on the first page of the library website. And you basically do the same thing. You put in your keywords. Make sure to watch the video first. It's very helpful. And then once you get the library search underway, you'll have some limiters to refine your search and narrow it down. So remember, you have to pick two sources from the databases, and one should be a peer-reviewed article. And we're here to help you through. So make sure you can contact us again anytime, especially through the Ask a Librarian button. And we hope you're okay. Good luck and take care.